What's going on, guys? You got a GMC or Chevy product that's got your transmission cooler, power steering cooler in there behind the grill that's leaking. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace it. First off, you got to move this splash guard right here on top. There's clips right here on the top that hold it on. There's little pull tab clips. Pop them all out. You can leave one in if you want. You can spin it. That's what I usually do. Pretty simple. It's a common problem on these GMCs. Alright, here's a cooler right here that's leaking. Obviously you can see it's all shiny. There's training fluid everywhere and this sucker's rusted out like a mother. It just sprays right out. There's a bolt right here on top. And then there's a bolt, as you can see, right in there, down there. You can get to it through this grill with an extension. Undo these two bolts and get the clamps that are down in here. I'll show you those next and we'll pull it right out. There's a new one right here. Alright, let me get these out. We'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, we got them bolts in. For those of you who are curious, I got new bolts. These bolts are 10 millimeter, and so are the new ones. Just put a long extension in there. Like I said, you can get right in there to it. Right there, right through this grill. Right through the center. Pop it out. Get the one right here on top. Now it's out. Now, gotta get down in here, as you can see, and undo the clamps for the hoses. And there are two of them. There is, let's see if I can show you what the light. One right here on top. It goes right here behind these hoses. Right there. You can, these jump battery lines are right in the way, but it's right here on my finger. It's this one right here. And then the other one goes down here and hooks to the rack right down there. It's this one right here. I'm gonna undo these clamps. Be right back with you, fellas. Alright guys, we got these hoses undone here. Got the clamps undone down in there. Now, just gotta fish this puppy up out of here. Good night. This thing is covered in fluid. Rusted. There's the old one. That's it. That puppy's bad. Alright. Let me get my hands cleaned off. We're gonna get the new one and get it installed. Be right back with you. And I'll show you all that next step. Alright guys. Now we're gonna take the new one. Actually, this is a good used one off a wrecked truck. Let's go check this one out here. We'll compare them here. You can see side by side. And so this one's perfectly good, and this one, it's bad. It's gonna spray paint this one black, but don't really have time on it today. Alright, we're gonna get it fished down in here, get them hoses popped out the other side right here through the rubber. We'll be right back with you. Alright guys, should probably mention the lines fish down in there, go under the lip of the radiator support. Let me get a light, I'll show you all. Alright guys, they fish down under the radiator support right here, and there's an opening right there in the bottom that the lines come up through. They do not go under the frame rail and under the radiator support. They come up through that hole right there in the radiator support is where those lines go. Just so y'all know. And then you disconnect them. One connects right there, and the other one connects right, if y'all can see that right there. And the other one connects right there. Alright, let me get this connected, then we'll get it reinstalled all the way. There you go guys, show you from the top of it right here. And you get this back in place, get your bolts started. Right through the grill down here, reaching right through. And there you go, guys. Got the lines installed. Now you just flip your fan, your plastic guard back around, put your clip back on, pressure wash everything off, and you're done. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a great day.